Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Panu from Gadget, and today we are back with another video. This time we are going to talk about what is happening in the tech industry, and I know I'm back after a long time, so I'll try to maintain consistency from now. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Tech Dude, let us roll the intro. And this video is all about let us know what happened in this August month in the tech industry. So first of all, let us talk about Pixel. I know in this channel we have talked about lots of Pixel things in the channel, so let us talk about it. So talking about the first thing, so in India from September 2024, Pixel going to start their trial production of their smartphones. Google Pixel, technically they are going to start an experiment about manufacturing Pixel smartphones in India, and if they do that, they will do little bit of cost cutting. And at the quarter of this 2024, the share of the Pixel smartphone was 0.04% in India. I know they are making slight improvements in terms of market compared to, I know they are making slight improvement in terms of market, but compared to other brands it is pretty low. Lots of people are choosing Samsung and iPhones in terms compared to Pixel. This is happening because Pixel is not offering much to the price. So when they launch their smartphone, or they start producing their smartphones in India, technically they should give a cost cutting so that it can become accessible to everyone, and they should consider Indian people's mindset in mind. And the major smartphones which are going to manufacture in India will export to Europe and US. So the primary focus will be in exports. So Pixel going to manufacture the smartphones here, and they are going to export to Europe and US. So let us talk about PLI schemes. Talking about Pixel Pro smartphone, 8 Pro, 7 Pro, they are partnered with a they are partnered with Foxconn to produce their smartphone, and the normal base model Pixels are partnered with the Dixon Technologies, so for manufacturing. So Foxconn also plays a huge part in terms of iPhone production in India. As you know, lots of iPhone which you use right now are completely manufactured by Foxconn, as you can see here. And people have misconception that Pixel can be costless because it is manufactured in India. It's not going to happen here also in this same case, because ages ago iPhone also started manufacturing in India, and lots of people expected lots of price cut for the phone, but it didn't happen. So I suggest you to keep your hopes on the lower margin. And let us talk about another update from Google. Google is going to launch their Pixel 9 series lineup on August 13. According to the leaks, it may also comes with ultrasonic fingerprint, and it will also have lots of AI features in this smartphone, such as it will help group photo people as group, and it has screen feature will help you to scan and process helpful details, particularly from the screenshot. So you can search directly anything from your screenshot which you have captured, or you can even lively translate what is on the screen. So it makes life simpler and easier. So it is likely Microsoft Recall feature. It is like a Microsoft Recall feature, but Microsoft wants to monitor always what is on the screen. So Google has better implementation so that it didn't breach privacy of a people. Only stores data when you click a screenshot. It is not monitor whole time. So if they monitor 24/7, will let us know because of security concerns. And talking about the second update, DPDP Act by Indian government, which stands for Digital Personal Data Protection Act. So government has introduced this DPDP Act, and social media platforms are worried about this app was implemented by Indian government. So talking about this DPDP Act, it is again social media platform, because social media apps also have concerns for children's safety and data monitoring and protection for safety of kids. If they implement this act, it will work against social media system. So lots of social media apps are worried about, which causes harm and disable tracking features if they appear in children feed. So the idea is great. So majorly this DPDP Act is all about technically your social media apps which you are using have certain type of algorithm which controls all the feeds, such as it will also control inappropriate feeds which are popping up on your feed. So this media system completely works opposite to it, and that it doesn't like government should implement this app in such way it doesn't should harm any one of them, such as they can monitor important features which causes harm and disable tracking features. If this happens without any tracking algorithm, will get appropriate ads, and the appropriate ads will also get into your children's feed. And the idea is great, but implementing this DPDP Act is pointless because there is no right to government to monitor our data. So Apple have taken a major decision. For example, if they remove charger from the box, they are not going to provide no matter what. They remove headphone jack from the smartphone, everyone does that. And so let us talk about iPhone 16 update. So iPhone 16 previously iPhone base model used to come with previous year flagship processor, but it has changed now. Apple is going to make new rules or implement a new kind of working style. They are going to provide A18 bionic chip inside every iPhone 16 variant, from basic iPhone 16 to Pro Max level. And let us see where it goes, because everyone is switching to AI, and I wish Apple also switches to AI pretty soon. And making this decision to implement this AI features, Apple is providing A18 processor to every iPhone 16 series model. So that's it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel. Tech Dude signing off, your Tech Dude.